Meet John. John is a sales manager for Construction Supplies Limited. John needs to sell to the local construction industry where his products are used on active building projects. But John is struggling to generate orders and win new business. The sales line isn't ringing like it used to, and he has no pipeline. Now he's tried cold calling architects and contractors, but without knowing when they have projects coming up, it's a waste of time. How are my competitors doing so well in this market? I need a steady supply of leads. Then John discovers Building Starts. Building Starts provides John with weekly reports showing all the active and upcoming projects that meet his criteria. He now has details on projects, including when they're going to site and who's working on them. Building Starts provides John with reports and structured data files so he can integrate it with his current CRM system and distribute leads to his sales team. John can now target live opportunities, win new business and grow revenue for his company. Contact Building Starts today for a free sample. Building Starts. Knowledge is power.